Alright, I'm doing another 2-day in a row thing. I just want to get this finished so I can finish the railing. But I got some painting over here. Trim. Where is it at? Right there. Trim. Paint up there. Paint here. Right here. I gotta do a little touch up there and a little touch up way out there. Then I can take that crap down. And then over here, little buddy. Let's walk over here. And put you right there. Okay. And then I gotta do this stuff right here. Hoping to get that done today, and then I can take down this big ladder stuff, and I'm done working way up high. And then I can order the railing stuff. All right, bye. I'm getting starving. I haven't eaten breakfast. It's about lunchtime now, about almost noon. Can I see the sun? Let's see if I can show you. Almost hitting that, or it is hitting that. That tells me it's about noon. So I got the trim done up there, did some extra caulking, I did that trim, got all that painting done. I changed the trim on around the AC back to khaki because I didn't want black around the AC. I didn't want additional heat around the AC. I don't know if that matters or anything or whatever, but I'm just trying. Got all the trim around the vent. Now that vent is blowing out cold air, so that tells me I got a leak in my kitchen somewhere. I don't know. Houses, right? This thing's like 30 years old or 40 years old. Well, I don't care. It doesn't matter. Got the trim all around the door. Around the door. That's done. Got that all up. I got this starting to get disconnected. I got the ropes all done. So I got to get the screw gun to, I don't know if you can see it, to disassemble this thing and throw all these things down, take this ladder off and pull. Oh. Then I'm going to have to climb up and take the ladder jacks off. Then I can pull the ladders down, and then I'll be done. And I think I could just use either this ladder or that ladder to paint up on this side here. So I got a little bit of painting left to do here. I couldn't do because this was in the way. Yeah. Oh, and I still have to put the trim, the inside trim here, paint it black. So I got to buy the trim, paint it black, then put it in, kind of like I did downstairs. Then I'll place the order at Home Depot for the rest of the stuff I'm going to use for the railings. I think I'm going to do 2x4s going across here. I think going straight across. Paint them white on the inside and khaki on the outside. I think. I don't know. It's still playing around in my head. And then on this side is this. Because of that roof right there. I think I'm going to put the 4x4 kind of where that stands at. Yeah, where that stands at. So it'll be straight across, and then kind of do an angle piece from here to the 4x4. I'm going to attach the house angle there, and then do straight across 2x4s. And here I might do straight across 2x4s, and maybe put a gate. Like there'll be a solid piece that goes across, but you can crawl underneath. So if there's like a fire or whatever, because the kids come out here, this would be a gel. They can't really climb up over it. They're really tiny. But if there's a gate here, they can open this up, get on this roof, get on that roof, and get over the tree or something. They can possibly get out, or if, you know, zombies attack or the Nazis come back. Whatever. Emergency exit. I think once and then I'm gonna get the beam for up there. Go from here to there. You know, I'm looking at that. I'm like, well, I don't know if I I thought that's 9 feet. I think that's 8 feet plus a couple inches. So there should be a foot. Should be. I don't know. I might have to cut 6 inches off of this thing and put 2x4s up there. So if I do 2x4s, if it's 8 foot, then that's 8'4". The top of that's 9 foot, so that's 8'6". The bottom of it, so there would be a 2-inch, a 3-inch drop over 10 feet. It wouldn't be much. We don't get much rain here anyways, so I don't have to worry about snow. Just enough to let the water run off. Maybe the leaves, if they ever get leaves up there, but probably not. Just mainly get the water run off of there, especially from the AC. Yeah, but come along. All right, I've talked for 4 minutes. All that's insane.